Today we are going over this super simple letter that I used to remove $17,631 in 30 days, in addition to getting this client 94 points on Equifax, 129 points on Experian, and 72 points on TransUnion. And we also removed NFCU, Credit One, U.S. Department of Vets, and Southwest Credit Systems. Now, the letter that I'm going to show you is super simple, and you can find the Agero formula down in the description. But the letter is so simple to use, anyone can do it, even if you've tried before and has come back as verified. Now, if you look at these accounts, the first two accounts are NFCU, and we go after the balance on account number one because TransUnion shows zero while the other two have different balances. Obviously, if it's zero, it means that the account was paid, right? Even though it wasn't, we're still using this to get our deletion because it's inaccurate. On the second one, we're going after the date last active, and TransUnion shows 2020, which means that this account was actually re-aged. And even if it wasn't, that's still 3 different years. With Credit One, we're going after a monthly payment of $427 because number one, the account is paid, and number two, it's a charge-off. And then on U.S. Department of Vets, we're going after multiple late payments after the account was closed and charged off, which obviously shouldn't be there. And then the last one's very straightforward. Southwest Credit, you don't have a signed contract, so you need to delete it. Now, if you noticed, this is not a template. It's 100% custom, 100% factual, and extremely, extremely simple. Now, if you are searching for a way to get scores like this, then guess what? You can remove difficult accounts like these if you do it the right way. And you can access 500 free credit sweep tutorials right on my channel, or you could schedule a call with me to see if I can do this for you, or you can head over to the vault to get access to a bunch of awesome resources.